Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and get your video clips from your PS5 to your phone. So just go to the App Store on your phone and type in search for PlayStation App right here. And then open this up and sign in with your email address and password associated with your PlayStation account. Now when you're under here, go to the top to the right to settings and scroll on down and just make sure captures is turned on. So I have auto captures, and then any clip under 3 minutes will automatically upload to this app. Then we can go back and then we can locate the PlayStation app. So I'll just open it up right here. Then we can go back, and once we're under the main screen, go to this option right here, the game library. Go to captures. Let me do that again. And then under captures, what I can do is find all my downloads. So here's a bunch of clips. So it looks like I'm in a truck right here. I can just look at this and I can start playing it. And then I got the sound and the audio right there. It looks like my friends died going up this hill. What I want to do is download in the bottom right, and it will download now. Or I can just go to share and I can share this to a specific location. So right here. Then you can go on over to Instagram and you can share it to Instagram or something like that if you want. So you can just locate that. Otherwise you can upload it to Facebook, Snapchat once you have it downloaded. So there's Instagram, and just go to this and it should show up. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.